how to make a poster in Canva. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is navigate to your web browser or open the Canva app and go to the Canva web browser and make sure that you are logged into your Canva account. Now here in the templates, you can simply pick the poster. Templates are the fastest route. Filter by style. Free templates are available. Some pro templates show a crown icon, but to design from scratch, you can simply choose a file and go to the blank poster and set a grid or guides to help align content. But choosing the templates and using their style and filtering it is the most easiest and the fastest way to make the poster in the Canva. So that is it. Now add background images and elements, add and style text, arrange composition and visual balance, colors and accessibility, add logos, icons and final details, and export and share. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.